Hello everyone, welcome to Formula 3F, and this is Manisha, and we are in the way of learning Excel. So, lots of time we get scared of date function, but remember those are very easy, just learn it. So, this is the agenda for today's video. First, we will see today function. Excel is super easy. Just start the function with is equal to and start typing. As you start typing, Excel gives you the formula. Just tap, just press the tab and give the argument. Here we do not want any argument because it gives today's date. So just enter. So today's date is 9th of January 2023. So next is month function. It is again super easy. Just start with is equal to. It shows if we pass the date and it shows us which month is of date. So just start typing and you will get the formula. Hit the tab button and give the date. Here I am giving today's date for the simplicity and hit the enter. So it shows us month. It is the first month. Again, same for the year. Press tab. Again, I am passing today's date and hit enter. So, same for the day. It is super easy. Again, I am passing to today's date, hit the enter. So, next is weekdays. It shows which day is, what day is. So, if our formula gives us answer 1, it is Sunday. If it gives us 2, it is Monday. Likewise, if it gives us 7, it is Saturday. It gives us a day from 1 to 7. Let's begin. Is equal to, as you start typing, it will give a weekday. Sorry, I have written here weekdays. It is weekday. So again I am passing today's date, hit enter. It is it has given us 2. It is Monday. Very lazy day after the holiday. It is very hard to start. Okay? And favorite day is Friday. So, but today is Monday. Again, next is end of month. End of month means EO month. Okay? End of month means here we pass two arguments. First is start date and the months, means count of months. If i want if i want to know what will be the end of month date after 5 months or 6 months, in that case we use this function. What will be the last date of the month, that is end of month. I am passing start date is today's date and end of month after 5 months. Now, here we are getting this number. We did not get any date. It is because of formatting. We need to change this number format. This is general number format. We want to change this format to the date format. Just right click. I will show you again. Just right click on the cell, go to the number format, and here we have the format. Select date format and okay. Now, after 5 months, end of month will be this date. Now, if we want, now we have seen after 5 months, if we want before 5 months, it is now we today's date is 9th of January. It is after 5 months, that is 30th of June. If we want from back from the today, means before 5 months, What in can we find in that case? Yes, we can find end of month before 5 month or 6 month, whatever we want. Just start typing EO, hit the enter. If I pass today's argument, just if we want before, just press minus. Minus 5 means back. Again here now number formatting is the issue. Just right click number format, select the date and press OK. Now it is showing us 31st of August 2022. Now next function is network days. So network days, again it gives us net working days, means how many working days. It do not count holidays, those are Saturdays and Sundays. So as we start typing net working days means network days. Network day, start date. I am selecting today's date is start date. End date, I am selecting end date is this date. If we want to add some extra holidays, we can add. I'm not passing here any holiday. It will just count. Weekdays, and it will not count Saturdays and Sundays. Press enter. So 125 will be the working days between these 5 months. Okay. Again, as I said, Excel is super easy and very uh, uh, easy to understand. So please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or any improvement, you can let me know in the comment box. That's it for today. Thank you very much and stay tuned for upcoming videos.